Hi YouTube, it's your girl Paige and welcome back to my channel OhhSoPaige. Today I have on a unit by Julia Hair that I did purchase through Amazon, and it was originally black, so just stay tuned to see how I got it to look this way. So the wig originally came in this black. This is a 16-inch 13 by 6 lace frontal human hair wig by Julia Hair. Sometimes I think it's referred to as Alley Julia, but I did purchase this hair from Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and use Wella Colorcharm, which you guys know is my favorite bleach to use, to go ahead and lighten the pieces that I've already sectioned out to get the desired look that I want. Okay, so now that I've finished dyeing, I've already glued down my wig cap and cut off the excess hair. I mean, not hair, but the excess cap. This is the finished product. I did shampoo this with Shimmer Lights. Well, the Walmart version of Shimmer Lights, the Equates Purple Shampoo. And I'm going to go ahead and tighten it up, y'all. So you see that the little elastic band was broken. I did have to re-sew that back up. That was a con for sure. But I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on and see where it needs to be, if I need to cut more cap or anything like that. This was pre-plucked, so this is what the pre-plucked hairline looks like. I did not do any alterations to this at all, other than I did pluck my part just a little bit, my middle part, but that's it. So I usually don't do this, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the time out to do this today. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess ear part. You know your wig can just hang over your ear, so you need to cut that. Be careful not to cut your ear, guys, because I literally almost cut my ear. I had already cut my scalp when cutting the cap, so I wasn't trying to cut myself any further, but this definitely makes a difference in how your wig lays and how it looks overall in the end. So today, to glue my hair down, I'm going to be using Ghost Bond. I did use this once before, but it didn't work well for me, and I know what I did wrong that time. So now I'm going to give it another try, and it did work better this time. You need to make small dots of it. Don't use a lot. I think last time I used a lot and I didn't let it get tacky enough. So you're going to do small dots, and then you're going to spread it out. I use the end of one of my makeup brushes to do this. You can use the end of one of your combs, but I use the end of a makeup brush to do this. And I'm going to do about 3 layers of the Ghost Bond. The more layers you put, the longer it will last. I just did 3 just because I got sick of redoing it or like reapplying this step over and over again. But with me only doing 3 layers, this video is, I do apologize, y'all. This was like around Thanksgiving time that I did this, and it literally lasted me like that whole week. So I think I'm recording this on a Tuesday, and I literally had this on my head until I got sick of it and had to take it off with alcohol pads. I think I took it down like that Saturday. So it lasted me, and it would have went longer if I let it, but I think the glue kind of irritates my skin. I always break out in bumps after using Ghost Bond. So that's something you need to think about as well. If your skin is sensitive, I don't think my skin likes it that much, so I can't leave it on for too long. So this step is usually, I'm sorry, y'all. I was eating chocolate. I ain't even gonna lie to you. And so now my mouth all juicy. I apologize. But this step right here is usually done with a like straightening comb, like the electric straightening comb, to go ahead and flatten out the hair that's in your frontal. I don't have that, so I'm just using my curling iron and I'm just going through and I'm just flattening the hair for my frontal to make it have that more melted effect in the front. So like I said, please invest in you a straightening comb. I think that would have gave a better result, but I still like how it came out using what I have. So the pre-plucked hairline actually looks good, and the Ghost Bun did a good job to where I don't have to have baby hair for this look because it does look good without the baby hair. But I'm just going to go ahead and do some baby hair because I used to not do them. So now I try to do them when I can for the viewers who do like to have that baby hair look. But I think the next time I apply a wig, I'm just going to let it be its natural look versus giving it baby hairs every time. To do the baby hair though, I used more mousse this time and then went over what I created with the mousse with my Got To Be spray. Okay, so now this is the end result of what it looks like, the finished result of me, the baby hair, the Ghost Bond, the coloring, all that I've done today. This is the end result of how it looks. Also, I did pluck the part myself, and I did try to bleach my knots, but I didn't leave the bleach on long enough. But this is the end result. You guys, tell me what you think. I know that this look, this ombre effect is kind of like in right now, so I wanted to go ahead and give this wig a try. After dyeing this hair is still vibrant, it's still soft, so I do recommend Julia hair.